Miss Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. When you really don't like or even hate something, what do you say? Can't check out this video, it's so hilarious! Huh? What is it about? People are talking about their pet peeves. Snoring, nose picking, farting in public, talking during movies. It's so funny! What is yours, by the way? Well, my pet peeves are all about eating. People who chew really loud with their mouth open, chew their gum so loud, pop their gum. They bother me so much. 내 말이! For me, it's people who interrupt when I'm in the middle of talking. It makes me crazy all the time. Ew! When you really don't like something, or even hate, you would say, that's my pet peeve. These days, young kids text SMH, so much hate, to express this strong feeling. In conversational Korean, we call it 극혐. 극 means extreme, and 혐 is from the word 혐오, which means hate. This term was coined a few years ago, but now everyone knows what 극혐 is. It feels slightly rough, but 극혐 exactly explains what it is. Listen carefully and repeat this expression together. 극혐, 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 극혐이야. 진짜 극혐이다. Good job. Now, let's use this expression in real-life examples. What is one of your biggest pet peeves? 가장 큰 극혐 중에 하나는 What people don't show up on time. 지각은 극혐이야. My mom hates me talking while my mouth is full. She says it's 극혐. Yeah, everybody has pet peeves. I also think that is disgusting. 나도 그건 극혐이야. Don't forget to practice 극혐 in your daily life, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!